Welcome back into Talking Fitchburg. We're now in the Fitchburg Digest, and we're going to be talking about the Verona Road construction project as we give you an update every Monday on the show during the construction season. And it's a busy week as it relates to construction, as they've got a little bit of everything in this update. And let's get things rolling right away with this. Verona Road from Verona Underpass, County PD, or south of County PD, north Raymond Road. Let me screw that up 100 times. Nightly lane closures anticipated on northbound and southbound Verona Road within these limits. That's 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. Monday through Saturday. So tonight through Saturday, you can expect minor delays to occur during the overnight lane closures. Resurfacing work is planned on Williamsburg Way between Verona Road and Anton Drive. Noise from backup alarms and equipment is anticipated with the overnight operations from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. Thursday, June 20th. This work is weather dependent and subject to change. We appreciate your continued patience during this project. Yeah, be on the lookout for that. Verona Road traffic is located on the interchange ramps between Williamsburg Way and County PD McKee Road. Plan ahead for backups and delays, especially during peak travel times, and allow extra time to reach your destination. The Verona Road and Williamsburg Way intersection is partly closed until July 2019. Only right turns in and out are allowed at the intersection as crews build the bridge. No left turns are permitted either direction during these operations. And daytime grading operations to occur throughout the week. Traffic update during the nighttime lane closure, 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. Northbound Verona Road traffic just north of Verona Road Bridge will shift towards the median so crews can complete the outside shoulders. And then median and outside shoulder work on south of County PD, just north of Verona Road Bridge this week. Daytime and nighttime work going on there. Pier construction, abutment construction, and excavation work continue on north and south County PD in the new lanes of Verona Road. And bridge approach work next week at Williamsburg Way. Just east and west ends of that. And daytime concrete crushing, love that crusher, take place next several weeks behind Williamsburg Way and Raymond Road within the work zone. If you haven't seen that thing, it's massive. Just saying. And also cool that they can do that all on site. Or maybe it's bad. I don't know if that's bad, good or bad. I think it would save impacts on roads and stuff with less trucks. Mm-hmm. Nightly lane closures. This is County PD between Verona Road and Spoke Drive. Nightly lane closures are anticipated east and westbound within these limits. They'll occur 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. again through the nighttime overnight hours through Saturday. Today through the 22nd as needed. You can expect minor delays to occur when the lane closures are in place. Turn restrictions are in effect from K-Pac Road to eastbound County PD. Yeah, you can't make a left turn off of K-Pac, so through traffic and left turns off K-Pac must use Verona Road intersection with County PD. All turning movements for Nesbitt Road remain open during construction. Got some photos to share with you. First one here shows that bridge coming along. And
it's amazing how fast this has happened.
When Steve was here and we were talking about this, I just was like, I don't know, Steve. I don't know. But, yeah,
look at it.
It's
cruising. There. It's crazy.
So they use large pumps to pump nearly 600 cubic yards of concrete for the new Williamsburg Way Bridge over Verona.
It's a lot of concrete.
Wow. Imagine being that concrete group there.
I mean, it should be open within like the month, pretty much. Now.
We're a few weeks away.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and we're going to get an update from him this Thursday because he's part of the, they got that open house happening. So,
yes.
Yeah. And then we've got some aerial views, and I shared the whole video. So there is a video of a flyover that kind of shows this whole thing. But, yeah, they're showing the bridge there. That's at PD or McKee Road there.
Yeah, you can see all the new piers going up there on the south side of the road. That's cool.
Yeah, and that's going to be that crossover intersection, sort of like it is at the Beltline.
Yeah.
But yeah, they are just cruising along. I don't know what makes it feel different than the other parts of it, but it just feels like they are just cruising.
Which is good because this is the big part. This is the big part here, making these bridges and making this Verona Road go over PD there is.
All right, under Williamsburg Way over PD.
Yeah. So you're thinking like, what? Yeah. So they're able to use all that dirt they just moved from a key. They moved it down here and just built the terrain back up. So really good utilization of all the resources they are using, and pulling out of the earth. So that's pretty cool.
Those crazy engineers. So
and
smart.
And the concrete, right? The concrete that's being smashed is also being used as ground barriers and bottom layers and stuff. That's pretty neat.
It is
neat.
Pretty impressive stuff. All right. Remember that you can sign up for your construction updates from the Verona Road Project.wi.gov. They do have an open house on Thursday, so if you're interested in joining us and go into that, we'll see you there. Verona Road Business Coalition still working hard to connect the businesses to you, the residents, and drivers passing through the area. Those businesses are still open. Go and visit them and download the app today, as it's available for Apple and Android phones. All right, that does it for our construction update. Coming up next, we're going to open up our guest segment, take you out to our Learning Annex 2.0, Department of Ag, Trade, Consumer Protection. You'll recognize those two. We'll show you a sneak preview of that show next right here on Talking Fitchburg.